Thanks very much. Just making a few points. Thanks, Minister. I have to say our plan, as announced the other evening, is not ambitious. It lacks strategy. It's live horse and get grass, and things will be better. And in about 2 years' time, we can all look forward to eating al fresco, 2 people per acre, while it's raining. On the vaccination side, there's still nobody in charge. Once there's plausible deniability, everybody gets blamed. So it's NFIT and NIAC and the HSE and everybody else. There isn't an ounce of common sense when you can consider that there are frontline retail workers who have worked for the entirety of every lockdown without a mention. Now we have Gardaí who have worked for the entirety of the lockdown without a mention. We have teachers, some of whom dealing with specific children who are not in a position to wear masks for health reasons. We haven't even thought about them. It's governance by optics, by the view of NFIT. We haven't remotely sought or achieved or have the ambition to look for a balance in operating society. And I would ask you, and I've said this to the Taoiseach and sent it to you in writing too, that you examine and analyse hospitalisations at the moment where senior consultants, naturally afraid in the Colosseum that Ireland has become to speak publicly for fear of being thrown under the bus when you're a dissenting voice, have pointed out to me that up to 60% of hospitalisations at the moment are not requiring high-flow oxygen in the high-dependency unit or ICU ventilation and could be dealt with in a City West type situation, which if replicated at 5 or 6 locations throughout the country could ensure that our acute hospitals are not in danger. And I just want to point out that the Cabinet are responsible to all of the people in Ireland. We are responsible for a functioning society.
Thanks, Deputy.
We are not remotely showing any ambition to achieve that. And I would appeal to you to consider some of these points as I've been making continually to you in writing and otherwise and the Taoiseach since last March.
Deputy Chair.